sa Tibanghelyo ti Apo.
Dayaw ti maypay ken ka o Kristo agtugaw tay amin.
Nugnuwi kakabsat kinigayem ti pamati na imbag nga bigat katakay amin.
Naimbag nga bigat Father.
At dayon Apo iti may kapat a Domingo ti panagungar. Ket itultuloy tay Apo nga pagyamanan ni Apo Dios kaputa ti daytoy nga panagungar na Apo Jesus ket inted na kadatayo dagiti na dumaduma nga bendisyon. Ti daytoy nga Domingo isumot ti managanan Apo nga Domingo tinaimbag nga pastor. It is the Sunday of the Good Shepherd. Nga kunatay nga ron Apo apay nga makunatay yung Good Shepherd. Gapo siguro ta damot ti Bad Shepherd. If there is a good shepherd, there's a bad shepherd. Kaputa ko na po, tibanghelyo kat adati na ibaga pastor. Madamot iti matangtangdanan nga pastor. Iti matangtangdanan nga pastor, ket awan sa bali nga iti kita na, ket kuna tayo, mabaluran, marukod, ti aramid na. Ket nakurang ti panangisakit na ken panangipateg na. We have the image of the Good Shepherd with us. A very beautiful image. If we have to look at the very image of the Good Shepherd in our parish, makita tayo Apo nga ni Apo Jesus, bakbaklayin na, iti bukot na, iti mesa nga karnero. Tidaduma nga imahe na Apo, ladawon na iti na imbaga pastor ket na Apo Jesus, bit-bit-bitin na, iti may isang ima na, iti may isang karnero. Kaya dito nga karnero, no intay Apo kitain, dito kat kuna tayo, it is a wounded sheep, a wounded love, because this sheep went astray, napukaw, naiwawa, sa balit tinapnapanan na, nagtidiraas, ket dandanin nga natay. Ngayon, Apo Jesus, binirbirok na, ket inyawid na, ket inagasan na. Daytoy tinaimbaga pastor. Ket tinaimbaga pastor, mangiwanwan. Tinaimbaga pastor, mangidalan. Tinaimbaga pastor, mangsalaknib, mangagas, ken mangisalakan. Kausat king gagayem, malabit ko na tayo, kanya ka di ti mensahe na ti daytoy nga Domingo tinaimbaga pastor kada tayo. The very image of the Good Shepherd draws us again to see that the Good Shepherd cares. The Good Shepherd loves. And the Good Shepherd heals. Makapaliwliwa po kitkitain, makapabangarga po ta. Kung titignan po natin, ang imahe ng mabuting pastol ay sinasalarawan po niya na tayo po yung tupa na inaakay. Tayo po yung tupa na binibitbit ng Diyos. Tayo po yung tupa na minsan sa buhay po natin, tayo po yung mulubhang nasugatan. At ang ating Panginoon, hinihilom po niya tayo para po tayo maligtas. My dear brothers and sisters, di po lingid sa ating kaalaman that I think the world today, humanity today, we are all deeply wounded because of this pandemic, COVID-19. And we need healing. And that we need the guidance of the Good Shepherd. My dear brothers and sisters, kaya nga po, kaming mga pare, lalong-lalo na po ngayon, sa linggong ito, pinapalala po sa amin ang pagiging mabuting pastol. Kaming mga pare, ngayong linggong ito, ay pinapalala po sa amin ang napakahalagang gampanin po namin bilang isang pastol ng simbahan. But this good shepherd or shepherding, it's not only, I think, directed to us as priests, bishops, religious leaders, but I think even in the political leaders, they are also called to be good shepherd in their own constituents. And here we see that it points to us three important things that a good shepherd must do. That a good shepherd must have a heart that is to care. A good shepherd must have a heart that is to love. And a good shepherd must have a heart that is to heal. My dear brothers and sisters, at the end of the day, lahat po tayo ay inaanayahan para po maging pastol, mabuting pastol sa bawat isa. Amen? Because if we have to look at our own situation right now, if we just wait and nothing happens, it intensifies our anxieties. It intensifies our despair and frustrations. And intensifies our hopelessness. For the past few days and past few weeks, when Maginhawa community started the community pantry, and it gets viral, and it was contagious, marami pong nahawa. At isa rin po tayong nahawa sa community pantry ito. Nakakatuwa po, intentionally, we had it Facebook Live, streamed in Facebook. It is also a way of trying to bring the message on how we respond and how we react, and most especially how we participate in this intention. Which is, alam po natin sa mga nagdaang araw, kahit pa paano, ay nakatulong po tayo. Kahit pa paano po, the losing of hope and increasing and intensifying anxiety and despair and frustrations ay naiinsan dahil meron po tayong ginagawa. And we are making things possible. My dear brothers and sisters, and this is actually the community pantry has brought us to realize that each of us can be a good shepherd. Each of us can be a sign of God's love. Each of us can be a sign of God's care. Each of us can be help in the healing process of the humanity in our community. I don't know if our community is also, there is a way of making it different from the rest of the community pantries all over the Philippines, is because of, at the end of the line, there is the donation box. Where you see that people are putting in coins, at least bills, or any kind of money, which is, lo and behold, we realize na kahit pala piso, kahit pala 5 piso, kahit 10 piso, ay napakahalaga. Dahil ang napakahalaga dito ay that there is what we call this sense of sharing, sense of caring, sense of healing one another. Amen? At kami po'y natutuwa dahil po sa patuloy po nating pagtulong sa ating kapwa-tao, our community pantry for the past few days, umahaba po yung oras at madami po yung naibibigay dahil po sa inyo. our supply is less accordingly to our goodness and generosity. That is why also that we would like also to bring this pantry not only in Ibong but also in different barrios. We started the mobile community pantry yesterday. My dear brothers and sisters, we have to look what is the significance, what is the connection of the Good Shepherd Sunday. It is a deeper meaning. And this is the invitation for each one of us that we can also be a good shepherd to one another. If we care, if we love, if we desire to heal one another. Napakaganda po. Sana po hindi lang po sa ating community in Fatima, pero kahit po sa inyong sariling pamilya, kahit po sa inyong purok, kahit po sa inyong lugar, in working place. Para bang nakakatuwa dahil they use this tagline, kumuha base sa pangangailangan. No? In one of the call center, I saw it in the Facebook, kumuha ayon sa kasipagan. Kung tamad ka, huwag kang kumuha. Kung masipag ka, kumuha ka. But anyway, I think this is one thing that we are very proud of. That despite of the negativities around, we can still spark positive things. And we can still be a sign of hope to one another. My dear brothers and sisters, ako po bilang isang pare ninyo, it's always a challenge with me because I always bring this image with me, this Good Shepherd. Personally, I bring with me this Good Shepherd to remind me of my own calling as therapist. Na kahit anong mangyayari, I'm going to die for what I promised to be a good shepherd. And every time I see this image that I bring with me wherever I go, to remind me that I am here as a priest to care, to love, and to heal, and respond to God's invitation to be a good shepherd. Each one of us can be a good shepherd. Father, mother, you can be a good shepherd to your children. Our political leaders, you can still be a good shepherd to your constituents. Each one of us can be a good shepherd as long as we have our willingness to care, to love, and to heal. Amen.